Hello, Astro Babushka here, and in today's video, very short and easy way how to check your rising sign, how to build your natal chart. So we go to VedicHoro.com. You will need to create a free account. There will be no payment needed. The payment needed only for the advanced features that only professional astrologers need. So we go to the My Charts, add the chart, and let's say Diana, and 14 July 1988. Your birth time, let's say it's 15 or I don't know, 23 a.m. Chicago, Illinois, and automatically there will be all the coordinates here. Just check the time zone if it's correct. Normally it is correct, but better just check it just in case. And you will have your chart listed here. Go Diana. Here it is. So the rising sign, aka ascendant, is right here. So, and she will be rising Cancer. So the first thing you see, it's rising Cancer. The second important part, the second or third, it's sun, degree, and sign, and moon, degree, and sign. Also there's the nakshatras here, and you know, more information here, but just the most important is to know ascendant. Okay, that's it. That's that easy.